you guys keep watching. We're going to show you what we're doing here. We're, like I said, we're putting a little special project in. I think you're going to like it. So this is a little problem area we've had in our yard for some years now. And today is the day that we are going to clean this up. We got a special project we're going to put here. So we're going to clean all this brush up. And we're gonna trim some trees up here and try to allow a little bit more light down in this area. Now what do you think?
Now we have to pick it all up.
Cracker Jack, take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. Got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street. With Mary Jane, good cocaine, laying it down there to eat. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't.
Well, you might be able to see what I'm doing now. Candace said that she wanted bees. So Eric got her bees. Well, not yet. Actually got a bottom of a beehive. We are starting all this from scratch with zero experience. So I think this is going to be a welcome addition to our garden, since we're right here close to our garden. I don't even plan on taking any honey this year. The only reason we got this is for the garden. So like I said though, we know nothing. We've got a friend down the road that has had bees before, and we are going to give it a shot, and he's going to help. So actually, come here, look, come right here. So we just got back, and he gave us a few frames that were already which already got comb on it. So, and there's a few frames in here that got honey in it. Oh, maybe this one, yeah. Yep, so that's gonna be a really good start. Like I say, guys, I know nothing. I'm here to learn. I'm excited to learn. Candace is excited to learn. And Sophie helped me out by painting this and hopefully protect it a little bit better. But that's it. That's kind of why we were clearing this whole area out. We've got our box set here, and it's next to our garden. We've got more direct sunlight. I don't know. What do you think, Candace?
I think it's worth a shot.
Worth a shot. So
there we go.
This is something that you guys can follow along with us all year again. is see if we screw this up or not, or if we're successful. I think we'll be mildly successful. So if you keep your expectations low, then whatever you get out of it is so much greater. So that's kind of probably backwards thinking, isn't it? All right, guys, we are going to, since we got all this cleared, you kind of watched us do that, we're going to cut back to tomorrow, and we're actually going to go get our bees. So I'm going to have Candace film when we go get our bees, and we're going to film dumping them in, and then we'll keep you posted. I've been watching lots of bee videos, so any of you enthusiasts out there that have bees and can tell me if I'm doing something completely wrong, please do so. I love constructive criticism. All right, guys, we just got the phone call. Waiting on my ride here. We're gonna go pick up our bees and dump them in their new home here. So you guys follow along. We're gonna see how this crazy adventure works.
Straight cruising, headed for bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow.
We're going out to install
Where you're going,
2 hives.
you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid.
I'm going to first pull out the queen and inspect to make sure she's alive. Because if she's not, we can call that guy and get a queen.
Go get one.
One queen gonna cost about 35 bucks. Yep.
That's awesome.
Yep. And there are people that just grow queens, you know, that's kind
Really?
of how they do it. Okay, so there's that can, right?
Yep.
Now I'm gonna hold on to that real careful. I'm gonna go like, come on. Oh, you ain't coming out this time, eh? Like that. Set that there. Now we're gonna get that queen out of there. We're gonna give her a look. See, they're trying to kill her. Come here, I'll take a look. See her in there. She's the long one. She's in there, she's alive, and she's good. So we're gonna set that there, like this. Now be real careful with her. You got that knife still, right?
Yep.
Okay. So this is the part I don't like. I'm gonna give it a whack,
Yep.
turn it over, dump them in. Then I'm gonna slide those frames back in. Now they're not gonna all come out, right?
Right.
So I'm gonna leave this by the entrance like that. I'm gonna keep my cool, so I want to freak out.
Yep.
This is really nerve-wracking, you know. I don't really enjoy it. That goes there. Real careful not to kill them. You don't want to squish any.
Right.
And then I'm gonna take that knife.
Yep.
I'm gonna try to let the queen out. This plug right here should be the one that's got the candy in it. I'm gonna double check to make sure that's accurate, and it is. They're really not trying to sting me at the moment.
Yet.
Right. You can see there's a candy plug inside of that.
Okay.
Take this, open like this. Set it right in there like that.
Okay. And that's that.
Then comes top cover. Outer cover. That's one. Later today I'll bring out food for them.
Yep.
So in the meantime, while I'm waiting on that, I'll cut that screen out of there.
What do you cut the screen out for?
I'll show you. Just the one side there.
Uh-huh.
Take that can, put that right back in there, and it'll drip that sugar. And they'll
Oh.
be able to eat
Okay.
and get in and out at their leisure. And then on to the next one.
So I am documenting what is going to be your first year keeping these bees over winter. We're going to look back on this a year from now and say we didn't have to go and get bees from that old man in the funky garage.
Well, no, what will happen is we'll have to split because they're going to want, in the springtime, they'll want to swarm.
Yep.
So you got to split them at the right time or else they'll swarm away.
Uh-huh.
So honestly, it's probably cheaper for us that they die every year than it is to have to like take 2 and turn it into 4 and then 4
Right.
to 8. I know you guys are mad. You're mad as hell.
After watching Roscoe dump his bees into his hive, I felt confident enough to head back over to my house and dump our bees into our hive myself. So he was there to kind of help and guide me along, and I really appreciate that because I probably could have screwed something up if I didn't have a little bit of oversight. Come on, baby. Set up here, fine.
Squish a bunch.
How do you? Okay.
Just give it a wrap on the side of the box until they all shake to kind of big bangs.
Ready?
Yep. There you go. Go. Perfect. And do it kind of side to side. Yahtzee. Oh, that's a lot of bees. Well dang, there's a lot of bees.
Back front, right?
Yeah, right in front.
What about this?
We're going to cut that screen out, put it back in there in a minute. Get the queen. Yep. Back in. Take this one. You can feel the ones that are hitting you in the side of the head.
Yeah.
Those are the ones trying to sting you.
Yeah.
You'll notice that their behavior changes quite a bit. They make a louder buzz sound when they're trying to get you. Yep. Inner cover, outer cover. That goes face up.
Face up? that's that, eh? Cut this open. Take it, keep an eye on them a little bit. Okay, that's that, eh? Okay, that was that.
Did you get stung?
Not that I know of. I think I would have known it though. So
They're mad as hell.
yeah, we're gonna let these guys chillax here for a minute, and we're gonna come back out here in just a little bit. We'll check on them, and I'll bring you along. Whoa, hey, no, that's for next video. Guys, it's been about a week out here that we've had these bees, and let me tell you, they've been an absolute joy. I've been out here checking them all the time, and everything's been going good. We had a couple cold nights, but they seem to do well. It rained this morning, it seemed to do well. I fed them last night. We got some honey in a feeder there for them, and they're just kind of chilling. So we're gonna wait about a week or so, and we're gonna give them another check quick. Other than that, I want to thank Roscoe for helping me out, kind of getting me involved in all this, and it's been fun so far. And he's really helped me along and kind of showed me the ropes here. So you guys, you're gonna want to check out this next week's video, because this is a doozy, let me tell you. All right, we'll check you on the next one.